If you want a professional business email address without paying for a complicated setup, this video is going to show you exactly how to create a business email for free with Namecheap private email. This is a super useful option if you want your brand to look more professional, manage customer messages better, and separate business communication from your personal inbox. And before we get into it, if you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open your Namecheap dashboard. Once you're inside your account, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Private Email. This is where Namecheap keeps all of the email management tools you'll need for setting up your business address. After that, you'll see your private email area, and from there, click Manage next to the email service you want to use. This will take you into the control panel where you can handle your mailboxes and account settings. Now, if you want to create a brand new business email address, click Create Mailbox. This is the option you'll use when you want to set up a fresh mailbox for your business, like info, support, sales, or your own name at your domain. When the setup form opens, go ahead and enter the mailbox name you want. This is the part before the @ symbol, so choose something clean and professional that matches your business. Next, create a strong password for the mailbox. Make sure it's secure, because this password is what protects your email account from unauthorized access. After that, choose the mailbox storage amount. This controls how much space your email account will have for storing messages, attachments, and other mail data. Once everything looks good, confirm the setup and create the mailbox. In just a few moments, your new business email will be ready to use. Now, if you want to log into the mailbox you just created, go back to the list and click Login next to the mail account. This will open the webmail login page for that mailbox. From there, enter the full email address and the password you created earlier. Then, sign in. And that's it, you're now inside your new Namecheap private email inbox and ready to start sending and receiving professional business messages. This is a quick and easy way to get a business email set up without confusion, and it's perfect for anyone building a brand, launching a website, or just wanting a more polished email presence. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.